Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Miss Frank here to do our daily calendar review. All right, if you're ready, get out your pencil and your piece of paper and let's begin. All right, so today, boys and girls, is the first day of April. And if you don't know already, but some people play tricks on the first day of April. It's called April Fool's Day. And so there are some funny tricks about. Make sure you ask, are you tricking me? Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on April 1st and see, ooh, is it a coin this time? Nope. We're going to be working on our patterns this time. So when we click, we'll be looking to see what our next pattern piece is going to be. So today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Let's say that one together. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. That was a great job. You did excellent. So we need to talk about what today is, yesterday, and what tomorrow will be. So we know today is Wednesday, and Wednesday starts with a W. And now we're going to figure out what yesterday was. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, back it up to Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And I'm going to slide myself over here. And I'm going to then talk about what tomorrow is going to be. What is tomorrow going to be? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What'd you say? Thursday! Oh my goodness! Yes, tomorrow is Thursday. So let's say that all together. So get ready. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Did I say Tuesday or Thursday? I said Tuesday and I meant to say Thursday. Let's do that one more time. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And boys and girls, remember in Miss Frank's class, we don't get upset when we make a mistake. We just say oops and we try and fix it and help out our friends. So oops. All right, so boys and girls, we are going to get started with our spiral review today. And here is our first question. What is this coin? You didn't get off that easy with not remembering your coins. Who remembers what that brown coin is? Did you say a penny? Awesome. All right, let's keep it rolling. Ooh, here are some parts of a number. So we have how many red and how many yellow is how many. So let's get our marker out and let's write our sentence down. So blank and blank is blank. Make sure you fill in those blanks, boys and girls, so that you can get that sentence down. Look at that picture. Let me give you a little bit of time. All right, are you ready to start answering that? If you're not, you know, always press pause. All right, so boys and girls, let's first talk about our red. How many reds do we see? How many? Did you say 2? So our first number is going to be 2. So 2 and, how many yellows do I see? 3. 2 and 3 is what? 2 and 3 is what? 2 and 3 is 5. Yeah, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that 2 and 3 is 5. All right, make sure your 2, your 3, and your 5 are all facing the same way, the right way, because sometimes we have a tendency to flip those around, but it's okay. We just say oops and fix it. All right, moving on to question 3. Here we have one less and one more. We're going to make that box, or even you can give yourself a line and figure out what is one less than 8 and one more than 8. I'm going to give you a little bit of time. All right, I think most of my friends should be finishing up. So let's go ahead and figure out what is 1 less than 8. And boys and girls, if you need more time, just press pause and then press play when you're ready to answer. All right, so 8. Let's figure out what 1 less than 8 is. So I'm going to start with my 1 less, and I'm going to start by going backwards. So I have 8, and this number is going to be smaller than 8. So I have 8. Put 8 in your brain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 1 away. And I should have 7. So 7 is 1 less than 8. Alrighty. Now 8, and then comes 9. So 9 is 1 more than 8, boys and girls. So on your paper, you should have 7 is 1 less than 8, and 9 is 1 more than 8. All right, last question. Count the number of objects, and then I would love for you to write that number. So I'm going to give you some time. How many did you guys get? Are you writing that number? Good job. All right. Okay, so we're going to count them together. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you counting with me? Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you guys get 15? Thumbs up. And if I was going to write 15, I would write a 1 and then a 5. Alrighty, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I had to check it twice because the first time I counted it, I actually got 14. I made a mistake. Oops. And I know that it is 15 now. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. I love you very much, and I will see you all very soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.